Good morning, everybody. It's 10:05 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 2/23 of 2019. I have a weekly chart on the Dow Jones, and one of the things that I want to emphasize is that it's been the best stock market going into a new year and on record in 32 years. This weekly chart shows right here in 2018 how we started to sell down. And this is where the big correction was. Now, let me tell you why this is so bullish. And I'll tell you why right now. When we take a look on this weekly chart, we are going to get a weekly buy signal for the first time. And that is the blue bars down here is called moving average convergence divergence. It is signaling for the first time in a very long time from the big correction that we had was 3 months long. And we hit a bottom. New Year's Day, we took off. We haven't looked back. This is the major resistance level for all of the bulls. And it's going to come right here on this weekly chart. This is going to be that resistance level right above here. We're back above 26,000, and we are. And one thing that I would like to say is that when you go back to 1987 and you go back to the fact that we're up 11.4% on this weekly chart right here, this will be the next weekly bull run as we get a weekly buy signal. And we have that now. And we're back above 26,000. 26,052.9 to be exact. So basically the bulls are in control, and they were able to get this great start so far in 2019 with all of the headwinds, slower economic growth, earnings season we just went through, markets are pounding. We can see this weekly volume. They're all green bars right here, and they are. And we're on a 9-week rip city to the highs. We're above all of these key weekly moving averages, the 10-week, the 20-week, the 50-week, which is the black line at 24,938. So we're above all of the weekly moving averages. This is why the bull has control. Just like when we went down 3 months in a row, we had a weekly sell signal here, and we put a bottom in. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks with the weekly buy signal. This is how bullish the Dow Jones Industrial chart shows. And so as we move forward to close out the first 60 days of 2019, we're going to find out just how far that this bull will grow. And we're above all the weekly moving averages. And we had a breakout last week. We had a follow through with the movement on Friday to get this thing up to the major resistance. And it is major resistance. But that resistance is met with the weekly buy signal.